Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to convert node types in Oracle Enterprise Data Management Cloud. Node type converters relate one node type to another node type, which lets you share data across applications. You create and manage node type converters from the point of view of the target node type in the Node Type Inspector. You can add and remove source node types to use as node converters, and configure the source properties to copy to the target node type. When you create a node type converter, the source and target properties are auto-mapped for you where possible. You can then modify those auto-mappings or manually map other properties as desired. Let's add a node type converter. From the home page, navigate to Node Types. I'll inspect the Cost Center node type. On the Converters tab, click Edit. The Add button is now displayed next to Source node types. Click Add to see a list of available node types. The list includes node types with the active status from all applications. The node types are grouped by application name and sorted by application name and then by node type name within each group. You can search for a source node type by name. Notice that the target node type is not included in the list. I'll select Departments. The source node type and its corresponding properties are added to the list. Under Properties to copy, each property for the target node type is listed on the right with the property name and description. The source node type properties are listed on the left. If the target and source property names match, then the two properties are auto-mapped by the engine. In this example, you can see that core name and core description are auto-mapped. You manually map any properties that are not auto-mapped. I'll select a property to map to the business unit property. If a target property is read-only, then the row shows that the property is not editable. You can hover over a node type in the list to display the Remove icon. If you click the Remove icon, you see a confirmation message before deleting the converter. I'll select No. When you're done mapping properties, save the converter. In this tutorial, you saw how to convert node types in Enterprise Data Management Cloud. To learn more, visit cloud.oracle.com.